Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm going to try and do something I just did in a more geometric fashion. I am going to use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. And I'm going to try and leave a fair layer of paint. I don't want it to dry immediately, but I do intend on doing this fast enough so I don't have to worry about it. So if you're doing it and you're not sure of yourself, leave yourself a little bit more paint than I do. You're going to have to figure that out though. What that is, just a heavy enough layer so it's not going to start to dry immediately. So that is mostly good. If I have anything else I want. I did my edges right before I started the recording. I don't like drips. I am being fussy. I certainly am. I'm going to get rid of all that paint right there. Throw that in the bucket. Do what I did the last time because I liked how it worked. Give myself a nice dose of white metallic and remove that thing I saw. Where are you, thing? I know you're here. I guess I'll see it in a minute. This time I might consider putting some black. Amsterdam black to be exact. There it is. I see it. It's ready to come out now. So I don't really think that I need to go all the way into the edges. And I can flip my spatula over. I try and use up most of the paint, which is taking me a minute. I probably could have done it first. I didn't think of that. Maybe I will another time. Okay, so I have some white paint there, and I'm going to put it in my scrape dish because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under the link tree that's directly under the video. This is my scrape dish from the last painting, so all that paint will get used either for edges or something else. So the last painting I did, I just put colors down one section at a time. That is a color that isn't available anymore, so I don't really need to remember. That's a mysterious, literally that was its name. So let's find my card, and I'm going to dip it into the Amsterdam black and use that up. Maybe my scrape dish will come in handier than I thought. I'm going to wipe that card right off on my... What is supposed to be a damp studio rag is not a damp studio rag right now. Hang on a second. There we go. Now I just have to... There we go. Now I have to pick the next colors. And I think I'm going to do greens. And that's a folk art, 2 folk art color shifting greens. One is green gold and one is emerald green. And I don't want that hair on my... I saw that thing. And I've got enough of that black. This might be super simple. See, I have some canvas there. I could probably run a spatula right down there too. I'm going to wipe that off. Actually, I think I'm just going to keep going. I like the Venetian blue. The Venetian blue with some Anita's white metallic. Some Folk Art neon purple with iridescent pearl fine in it. I'm looking for the turquoise every time I look over there and I'm not finding it yet. There it is. I got it. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use this electric blue from Arteza. And hope some of it shows up. And if it doesn't, I'm going to use some more on the other side. I got a very spinny turntable this time. I think I have enough black, but I'm going to dip my card in very lightly. And I'm going to go back over here on this side and use up what I've got. Because I know if I want to add colors, I certainly can. This might be just sublime, right like it is. I think this is working out very nicely. I was going to use the pointy end, but maybe another time. I've got a lot of paint on that card and I want it gone. I need a heavier scrape dish so I can actually make this work the way I need it to. Alright, so do I go for the orange or the red? I think so. I wasn't sure for a minute. I gotta go very light, I just realized, because there's like no space to pull on. Grab a little more. I still haven't put any gold in this one. Maybe I'll put a little gold in there now. Come on out. Maybe I won't. Here we go. It was open a little while ago. So do I have enough black? I'd rather be safe than sorry and add a little more. So I'm thinking turquoise for this other end. But turquoise mixed with what? Whoops, that wasn't what I meant. I grabbed the wrong bottle, darn. Okay, so same protocol, another little dip. Looks like there's a lot on there right now. And we are almost done, so I'm going to tell you guys there are over 92,000 subscribers on my channel. If you are new, please be welcomed. If you are not new, I love you. Thank you for still being here. I'm going to take a chance. There we go. And then I'm going to probably torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys I have playlists with over 1,800 videos on them, organized into 18 lists of 100, and the others are by topic and genre, and if you ever want one, just ask me, and I'll be happy to give you a link. If you're looking for all kinds of stuff that my artwork is printed on, check the Teespring clothing right under the video for all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, or go to my link tree, which is the first blue link underneath the video, and look there for pixels.com and Fine Art America, where there's over 1,000 items. I kind of like this, but I want to get rid of that hard line. I know you can't see it. I can barely see it, but it's my OCD kicking in. There. Okay, so what should I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up. I will zoom in a second. If you watch my videos longer, you help me out. If you would like to help support the studio, there are PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And the links are also in the link tree. And should you happen to be a contributor to help keep the studio making videos, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And the monthly drawing happens at the end of the month, every month. And there is a new exhibition video that you can see the prizes shown to you on in the last 20 seconds of every video's video. Oh boy, tongue-tied. In the last 20 seconds, you can see the video with the prizes. It's an exhibition video. So my email address is below the link tree when you click show more. And I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I also sell my artwork. If you're interested, all I need is the file number next to the hashtag in the title of the video. If you guys want to help me out in some other small way, you can shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you. There's all kinds of lists and cool stuff on those lists, and my 2 books are there also, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you guys for keeping my morale boosted. I love you so, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. I really appreciate that. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget to check my Teespring clothing again. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'm sure I forgot something. I don't know what it is. Let's zoom in over there, though. Just because I can. Like my book. Bye.